Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your hosting plan on Bluehost hosting. So first of all, you're going to log into your account and you're going to go and click on hosting. Now, as you can see, there's your basic, for example, for me, it's a basic hosting plan. You can click on upgrade plan, or you maybe also want to create a store. This is other plans, but I would suggest you to click on upgrade plan. Now, as you can see, for me, they suggest not so great plans because I chose just a monthly basic plan um, for just a month. So the pricing is really big, but this is basically how it looks like. That's how you can change it. You can basically just click on any of these. But what I would like to do, because I chose the wrong plan and just for 1 month, so the pricing is really high. So if you did that too, I would just suggest you to cancel this account and maybe create a new one, or when it ends, start from scratch, because the pricing will be different. Let's look at the pricing. So when you go to Bluehost pricing right there and click on hosting, this is where you can compare all web hosting plans. So for example, you choose for 12 months or 36 months. As you can see, the pricing changes. So of course, for 36 months, it's the best deal, but this is how it looks like, and you can compare the plans and select the plan. So for example, you can select another plan like so, and yeah, so this is how you change it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.